Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing some shortcuts for you people today. So let's start with the first one. CTRL+WINDOWS+D, that is to open a new desktop. Yes. WINDOWS+COMMA is to see through what you have in your screen. Then Windows 1 to 9 is to open whatever is on your taskbar here. So let's say Microsoft Store. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Windows 4, and it opens Microsoft Store automatically. CTRL+ALT+TAB is CTRL+ALT+TAB. That is to see what you have running. Yes. And you can also use Alt+TAB, the shorter way. And then Windows tab is to see all your desktops that I've created and all the recent things I've been doing. Alt+TAB, yes, as I said before, is to switch to tabs. CTRL+SHIFT+ESC is open task manager to force some apps to close if you are lagging or not responding to. Yes. WINDOWS+E is open File Explorer. Windows plus or minus is to zoom in if you change. Windows plus minus. Yes. Oh, this big. Yeah. And WINDOWS+PRINTSCREEN is to screenshot what is on your screen, and to go and view it you have to go to pictures and go to screenshots. WINDOWS+A is to open the action center here by right. WINDOWS+I is to automatically open settings. WINDOWS+C is to open Cortana. WINDOWS+G is to open game bar. WINDOWS+ALT+R is for recording on game bar. WINDOWS+L is to lock your screen. CTRL+SHIFT+N is to what was it? I've forgotten actually. What was it? CTRL+SHIFT+N. Don't worry, I'll get the meaning when I remember. And SHIFT+DELETE is to delete a file that is selected. Then WINDOWS+FULLSTOP is to open emojis. Yeah, it's to open emojis here, see? That's WINDOWS+FULLSTOP. Then WINDOWS+M is to minimize what you have. And that's all for today, guys. Subscribe, like, and comment down below. Bye.